इंडियन शटलर पीवी सिंधु और उसके अहल खाना ने नायब सदर जमहूरिया वेंकैया नायडू से मुलाकात की। ये मुलाकात पीवी सिंधु ने BWF वर्ल्ड टूर फाइनल में हालिया कामयाबी के बाद की है। मुलाकात के बाद नायब सदर जमहूरिया ने पीवी सिंधु की कामयाबी पर खुशी का इजहार करते हुए कहा कि उन्होंने इंडिया का नाम रोशन किया है और हालिया कामयाबी से तारीख में अपना नाम दर्ज किया है। नायब सदर जमहूरिया ने पीवी सिंधु को इस मौके पर मुबारकबाद पेश की।
I'm really happy to have met PV Sindhu and her family members. She is an ace badminton player and she has created a history by her recent victory and then getting gold medal World Championship in the recent matches held at China. She has brought name and fame to our country. So I congratulate her for this stupendous victory. A healthy body will always help to make a healthy mind. And healthy mind and healthy body makes a healthy person, and healthy persons make a healthy society, and a healthy nation can become a wealthy nation, not vice versa. Even if you are wealthy, if you don't have health, you cannot be happy. So keeping that in mind, I am of the opinion that sporting activity should be part of the school curriculum. Children should be encouraged to play sports, whatever may be their choice, and parents should encourage them, and school and college, they must provide sporting facilities for the children to practice the game of their choice.